Break time ko sa work and nagpunta lang ako dito sa shop kasi meron tayong pipick upin. Hi guys! So now it's break time. I'm super excited mamaya sa ipapakita ko sa inyo. Of course, sasamahan niyo kami sa aming blessing na natanggap sa buhay namin. And sabi ko nga sa inyo sa previous vlog natin na i-share ko yan sa inyo. So this is finally, natupad na ang ating pangarap. Dito na talaga kami titira. Nakapag-decide na talaga kami na dito kami titira na. And so I think mga 6 months or 7 months yan processing ng ng look around. Dami naming kinita, ang dami nating chinek ng mga property, and now this is it. Finally, nakapag-chose na din tayo, and it's a simple, humble home, and matatawag namin our forever home. And so yeah, samahan nyo kami mamaya. Break time ko lang, na-excite lang kasi ako. Hindi sana ako mag-vlog today, but na-excite ako na i-share ko sa inyo. So yun, also meron akong ireregalo sa kanya kasi siya talaga nag-organize lahat and everything. Ako lang yung nasa sa likod and to support, you know, kasi hindi kami parehas ng ng mga opinion, kasi meron siyang opinion, meron din ako, so alam mo yun, so we have to meet halfway talaga. So, ang daming misunderstanding kasi ang hirap talaga mag-organize, but at the end of the day, kayo pa rin yung talaga work as a team. So, yun guys, this is the fruit of labor, yung mga hard work natin and sacrifice and everything, napunta siya dito lahat. So, ito na yun. And, yeah, I'm super excited to share it with you na, to inspire you kung ano man yung kailangan niyo pang itupad sa inyong pamilya or if you are single, then meron kang plano, huwag kang susuko kasi darating at darating talaga yan, and manifesting na it already happened even though nawala ka, para motivate ka ng bonggang-bongga. So you guys, I'm not sharing it na parang nagyayabang ganon. I'm sharing it to inspire people to work hard, follow your dreams, follow your goals. Marami tayong goals, pero you have to be focused talaga kung ano talaga yung kailangan, you know, and it will happen talaga. So yun guys, mamaya makikita nyo yung humble home namin mamaya. So yeah, kain muna ako ng gutom ko. From pasta left over from last night.
One eternity later.
Just finish work. I'm going to get the key. Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's the joy of the first steps of a child. It's the joy of your great-grandmother's smile.
Wow! Welcome to our home! So, ito na yung bahay natin. Bagong bahay. So, tayo? House tour, room tour. Ito si Alex. You like it? Meron kasing mga dito, yung curtains, yan. Punta tayo sa labas. So, behind me is the swimming pool. So, meron tayong pa-pool dyan. Ito yung, natin, shed natin. Ito yung likod, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na garden. So, kinuha nila, pinatanggal na namin. Before is, marami talaga siyang halaman dyan. Tapos, pinatanggal ko. Kasi maglalagay tayo dito ng magandang halaman. So, yeah, tinanggal na yan lahat. So, meron tayong ibibigay kay Mister. Alright, guys. Ito yung ibibigay natin.
Can I bring it to him?
Yan. This is the one that my present for Happy sa aming home. Yan. Naka-engrave yung family name namin. Yan siya.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, magdi-dinner na kami dito sa aming new home. So, mayroon ng KFC dyan. So, yeah, let's have dinner. Alright, so dito na magtatapos ang ating vlog for today. And this is our new home. Thank you so much guys for watching. We'll see you to our new episode ng aming new home. Alright, bye!
Bye!
Yay! Bye-bye!
Got something that inspires everyone who's lost their vision. You got something